GMKtec G3 Mini PC, compact power with Intel Alder Lake N100. The GMKtec G3 Mini PC combines powerful performance and portability in a sleek, space-saving design. Running on an Intel 12th Gen Alder Lake N100 processor, this mini desktop computer offers the perfect balance of efficiency and power for everyday computing needs. Whether for work or entertainment, the G3 Mini PC delivers reliable performance without taking up much space. Key features: high-performance processor, equipped with a 4-core, 4-thread Intel N100 CPU that reaches speeds up to 3.4 GHz. The G3 Mini PC handles multitasking smoothly, outperforming older generation processors like the N5105 and J4125. With this processor, users can enjoy faster performance for both work applications and multimedia use. Flexible memory and storage options. The G3 Mini PC offers configurations with either 8GB or 16GB DDR4 RAM, and storage options of 256GB or 512GB PCIe M.2 SSDs. It also features expansion capabilities, with support for up to 2TB on both M.2 PCIe and M.2 SATA storage, ensuring ample space for files, media, and applications. Dual 4K display support. With dual HDMI outputs, the G3 Mini PC supports 4K resolution, 4096 by 2160 at 60 Hz on 2 screens, making it ideal for multitasking, presentations, and entertainment. Enjoy high-quality visuals and an immersive viewing experience. Advanced connectivity, equipped with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, this mini PC ensures fast, stable internet and seamless wireless data transfers. It also includes a 2.5G RJ45 Ethernet port, providing stable high-speed wired internet. Versatile ports for enhanced productivity. The G3 includes for XUSB 3.2, Gen 1 ports, a 3.5mm audio jack, and Gigabit Ethernet, ensuring all your peripherals are connected easily. The security lock adds an extra layer of protection for business or home office setups. Compact, space-saving design. At just 114 by 106 by 42.5mm and weighing 361 g, the GMKtec G3 is about 1/45 the size of a traditional desktop, fitting neatly into any workspace. The included VESA mount allows you to attach it to the back of a monitor or wall, maximizing desk space and keeping your setup tidy. Efficient cooling. The G3 Mini PC is designed with a built-in fan, heat pipe, and aluminum plate to maintain optimal temperature, providing quiet operation and improved device longevity. The GMKtec G3 Mini PC is ideal for anyone looking for a powerful, compact, and versatile desktop solution that meets both personal and professional needs. With its impressive specs, dual 4K output, and multiple connectivity options, the G3 offers a seamless computing experience in a small package.